Good luck. At Universal on the Hulk, bro. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. As you guys can see, me and the guys are at WTF Motorsports. This is their new shop. We got Kyler at 30 Skirt, Thousands. We're just chilling today. Got the F80, got F80 Danny. We got Josh in the house. We got Raymond's G80 tennis ball. So this is WTF Motorsports' new shop. If you guys know, this is the go-to shop that I go to now in Orlando, along with all the homies. Got the HKS springs from Josh. Man's full JDM now. The Supra. Clean. Damn, this shit looks hard with no wheels, bro. So did you go in for the recall update this week? Yeah. One of my boys in like Seattle did the same thing. First time the boys, all the wheels. Super high. Got Remus G80. This is the one that we saw at the dealership that one day, sat in, test drove. No, we didn't test drive it, but we were sitting in it, and this was our first G80 that we ever saw. And it's pretty funny because Raymond actually went the same day and bought it. He has a custom mid-pipe by Auto Tuning House, and then he's lowered on some suspension, looking super clean. Custom downpipes too. Custom downpipes too. All right, what do you think about the wheels, bro?
Bro,
what do you think about the wheels?
Absolutely fire.
This
man looks like an exotic rolling down the road. Literally, it's a whole new car. It's a whole new car.
All right, this is the first reveal after the wheel video of the guys seeing the wheels for the first time. Like I said in the last video, they need some polishing and some iron remover and some metal cleaner, but hyped. Damn, you see this? Look at this Avis blue.
Ow. Gotta keep her clean.
I was telling the viewers, what is it, in last video, that everyone liked the reveal video. We had a blast. Good feedback.
Car's amazing.
A lot of people said congrats. Look at this blue. This front wheel is like super caked with brake dust, but like I said before, we're gonna get some iron remover and metal polish or metal cleaner. And all the boys think that we can definitely clean these out, so
should be good.
Hyped about it.
Some Iron X.
We're almost there, almost there. Got Raymond in the house. Raymond in the house. Look at that HKS spring, clean. All right, this is the M2 race car from earlier. Pretty sure it's an N55. It literally smells like a race car in here. This is crazy. KMP quick release steering wheel. Got the bucket seats. This is sick. Look at that mirror. The thing is a straight race car. Still has the AC and everything too. Gutted rear. Got a vent here for ventilation. This thing is sick. My brother from another. Back on the vlog.
Huh? You got Remus?
Oh my God. You're Remus brothers. Bro, tell the vlog what you just did.
Downpipes, tune, exhaust. That's it.
Rolls M5, let's go. Got the Remus exhaust, Catalyst downpipes. Got the burbles back. Louder than ever.
Turbo's fully insane, guys.
I bet. We got the homies. And Chris. Yeah, yo. We got Nick. What? What up, Nick?
What's up, bro?
Car's looking mint, bro.
I was about to blow our ears out.
My boy Chris, back on the vlog.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready?
Fire that shit up, bro. Yeah.
Oh shit, you don't spit fire, bro. You don't fuck up my paint.
My ears. Oh my God. Oh shit.
Bro, on the highway, it literally sounds like a jet, bro. All you hear is trouble. Fuck that shit.
Brutal.
Not playing, bro.
Brutal.
Not playing.
Look at it, spooling down like a fucking jet. Crazy. Yo, that shit's hard.
You can hear the turbo spooling in the back.
That shit's hard, bro. That shit's hard.
It's crazy. It's
No,
loud.
okay, no burble.
No burble, no burble. Yo, that shit hurts. Jesus, bro.
Bro, and that's OEM burble.
Yeah, that's fucking crazy. That shit's crazy.
Well, Andrew.
What's going on, man? Be it.
Tyler.
That's just crazy. Definitely gotta get a ride in Rolls M5 after the stage two.
Drive it too, bro.
Hey, maybe drive it again. Stage 2 downpipe. Get my reaction before and after. Stage 2 M5. What do you think? 750?
I think with downpipe 780 actually.
780.
I think, like, I already calculated. I think it's like 690 to the wheels.
Probably be the fastest car I've ever driven in. What's your review? You think it feels faster? Way faster?
Why do you say, bro?
Yeah,
I have to measure it actually.
Yeah.
I have a draggy.
Oh, true that is a oh shit. I told him we gotta get a ride in it later.
Oh yeah.
Damn, son. He said 780, like 690 to the wheels.
Yeah.
Crazy. Straight rocket ship, bro. These are Chris's faux legs, just as bright as mine. You guys have seen this before. Nah, I think they look fire.
I actually kept it because like makes tire look new.
Boy, Caleb pulled up.
Rip it! Send it!
That's most chill race car ever. That was fire.
You good? You good? Oh!
Hurts my soul. Yo. The man, the myth,
Barely made it.
the legend. Yo, really?
Yeah.
Oh, because the bolts?
I woke up at 6 to finish like putting it all together. So what I did,
That's some JD
plastics
stuff.
underneath.
Yeah. Y'all seen Caleb's car before?
Huh?
-3.
Dude,
Work
it's,
in
like, hella
progress.
cambered right now. I just literally, it was positive when I left from here, so I'm like, bro.
Straight
I gotta
race
get
car.
these. They're on their series.
Caleb's gutted. No trunk. No passenger seat. It's got the cloth seats for the track. Hey, the thing is a straight rocket. I think when he's dialed in, he's gonna be like 700 plus horsepower to the wheels. Can't wait for him to dial it in, get a ride along.
And I'm like,
These are the intakes that I want, but they don't make them anymore.
10 contracts like that.
Rip.
I can.
All right, we're back in Rolls M5 with boy Nick. We got Danny and Roll about to take us on a test drive in his Stage 2 downpipe M5
And sport exhaust, bro.
and Remus exhaust. Can't forget.
It's a rocket on 4 wheels.
I'm gonna try to have Danny hold the camera and get his reaction.
Yo,
Hold us
try.
all. Yeah, try to hold it.
Emphasis on
Try. Oh, these bumps are fucking brutal. Damn, bro, that's fast as shit, yo. Holy shit. Yo, that is brutal. I'm keeping my head back because I know he's gonna do that shit again.
I'm like drilled into the scene.
I just literally caught my phone midair. That shit flew out of my hand.
I know he's gonna do it again.
Rolls.
Yo,
like a roller
that
coaster,
shit is
bro.
crazy. Yeah, literally like a roller coaster. Dude, it sounds nasty.
Jesus.
Sounds mental, bro. All right, we switched to the front. Good luck. Yo. Feel like I'm at reverse on the Hulk, bro. It's a madman right here. My guy.
Insane. Insane. Insane.
Speechless, bro. Speechless. Yeah, the turbo spool sounds so crazy, like a jet, like you said. All right, fuck it. Here we go again.
So I had a headache. That went away.
I'll tell you guys right now, this is a night and day difference from when I drove in it, what, like a month or two ago?
Yeah.
That shit felt so smooth and linear. This shit is like, punches you in the throat, the neck, but everything,
back,
bro.
my
Yeah,
neck,
the back,
my back, everything, bro.
And it feels like you're getting launched like from a roller coaster.
So it will break your neck, but it will massage your neck at the same time.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
You'll be gapping supercars, but getting a massage at the same time. Like no car does that. This is crazy. All right, one more time for the one time. Bugger, let's go. What'd you say, Danny?
About to need a diaper after this.
Oh my god.
Alright, that's a wrap, boys. That's a wrap. That's it, F5 over everything. That's a wrap. Let's get everybody's reaction if I can hold the camera. Traffic. Look at our club.
Fog, bro, my lip.
Oh, you good?
I'm a driver.
Josh super out the shop. Look at our car meet though. This is sick. The boys. Skittles. It'll settle, it'll settle. It looks good though. It's still settling though, you're good. Nah, it looks fire. Alright, looks like everybody's car is finished up. You got your car fixed out?
Yeah.
The camera's fixed? Yeah, camera's fixed. Alright. I think we're gonna go eat, I think. BMW meet with the guys Saturday. Kyler's shooting shots, putting in that work. Yo, Danny, this is what you should do with your camera, bro.
I know. I
I'm kidding.
Setup. You need to do all that.
No, man needs to just bring it. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
That shit's rowdy.
Bro, it started off so quiet and then it just hits you. Nice. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this week's vlog. It was a fun one, chill one with the guys. Alright boys, we're wrapping it up. Good to see everybody. Peacing out.
Deuces.
Fucking fire vlog Saturdays for the Beamer boys. Always. Later.
Alright, G, take it easy.
Hey, it's good for the vlog. Bro, this vlog's about to be about your car. My spine, bro, my spine. Everyone's sending it. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this week's vlog. Again, chill freaking day with the guys at WTF Motorsports. Make sure you guys give them all a follow on Instagram. All right, you guys saw it. Everybody's leaving. Everyone's gonna go get food. But yeah, that was a fun day with the guys. Just coming, hanging out in the morning, talking, having our own meets, seeing everybody's cars, talking life, having a good time with the homies. That's BMW family right there. But anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.